Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Trilogy. Full display box break number 17.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
So the box is NE199903752. That's NE199903752. Let's get on with the break. So best of luck, everybody. First crit, it's a nice Crips of Bill Barber. Bill Barber for the Flyers. We have a Star Spotlight Past, Present, and Future card of Joe Thornton, Logan Couture, and Nick Petrecki for the Sharks. And we have a Rookie Premier's Level 2 hit for the Bruins of Ryan Spooner. 83 out of 399. Ryan Spooner for the Bruins. We have a Rookie Premier's Level 2 hits of Alex Galchenyuk. It's numbered 56 out of 399. Alex Galchenyuk for the Habs. Nice hit for Montreal. And we have a crystal card of Taylor Hall for the Oilers. Taylor Hall. And we have another Rookie Mirrors Level 2 hit for the Habs of Nathan Beaulieu. 62 out of 399. And inner box number 3. We have a Rookie Premier's Level 1 hit for the Devils of Stefan Matteau. 504 to 699. And we have a signature pucks hit of Alex Galchenyuk for the Canadiens. Another nice hit for Montreal, Alex Galchenyuk. We have a Star Spotlight National Trios of Marian Hossa, Marian Gaborik, and Zdeno Chara. Randomizes between the Blackhawks, the Blue Jackets, and the Bruins. So let me get that set up 1 second.
So between Chicago, Columbus, and Boston, randomize it 3 times. So good luck. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Chicago. Congrats to Chicago. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.